welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of digital marketing. So, what is digital marketing? Simply put, it's the practice of promoting products, services, or brands using digital channels and technologies. Unlike traditional marketing, digital marketing leverages the internet and electronic devices to create impactful campaigns that reach and engage with audiences online. Now, let's quickly go over the main types of digital marketing. 1. Search engine optimization, or SEO. 2. Content marketing. 3. Social media marketing. 4. Pay-per-click advertising, or PPC. 5. Email marketing. 6. Affiliate marketing. 7. Influencer marketing. 8. Video marketing. 9. Search engine marketing, or SEM. 10. Online public relations. 11. Marketing automation. 12. Mobile marketing. Each of these types offers unique strategies and tools to help you connect with your audience and achieve your marketing goals. Stay tuned for more in-depth videos on each type of digital marketing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.